Ciandre from Ciandre. Today we are in Malaysia. We are in a villa project site. Our team is making the measurement. So please follow me. Go inside. Before the cabinet production, our team is discussing how to make the installation and to make sure the measurement is everything's okay. So they are communicating how to make the cabinet to make easy installation. Here is the area for the living room, for tea room, and here is the dining area, which we have a very high wall space. This height is like 6 meters something. And here is the open kitchen area. LED lights upstairs. This is the karaoke room. And the back to here is electrician here, and here is the lift. Or to go to the 1, 2, 3, the third floor. Okay, this is the first floor. We have second floor and third floor. So please follow me, and I'm going to show you how will the final showing after installation. So I'm going to make a whole show after the whole customization cabinet is done. So don't forget to follow me. Thank you. See you next time.